Hi guys, welcome back to Sego Codes. My name is Omolo Oganda, and today we're not doing any series that we are used to doing. Remember, I promised a 30-day series. That is very different. Today, I just want to introduce a new gadget for our recording because for the longest time, you guys have been complaining like my sound quality is kind of bad, not good. Also, the volume is low. So yeah, I have a new system, a new microphone that I want to try today, and to see if it will give us some quality audio. Yeah, so we have a new microphone from Comica, and this microphone is both wireless. Nini? Okay, sawa. So this microphone is both wireless and it uses a cable too. So I'm excited to have this because I can already tell like it will be some good recording with high quality. So let's unbox this, set it up, and see what kind of quality we have, and then we're going to test it with you before we end the video. So let's see. Let's test it real quick. Uh-huh. Yeah, so this is what we have. This is the box. This is a sponge or shock absorber. I don't know whatever it's being called. And then what we have here is let's check. This is a Type C connection cable. It's Type C end to end. Let's see. Yeah, Type C end to end. This one will be for if you want to connect to your machine. Your machine must support a Type C, or if you want to connect to your phone using the cable. So that will be the use for that. And then inside this bag, what else do we have? We have the manual and the warranty that is there. And then now here comes the actual microphone. Let's see. Ooh. Yeah, this one. This one is Comica Ejoy Uni Pro. You can see it's here. And then we have the controls for the RGB lighting system and for the wireless connection. You have it right there. We also have an headphone jack, which you can use to listen to yourself while you record. And then we have the mic gain controller, which controls the intensity by which this microphone will capture your sound. So let's place it there gently because it's very expensive and delicate. Next, what do we have? We have the microphone stand uh, because I intend to use it while placed on the table. So this is the stand for the microphone, which I really hope it will be stable because I feel it's heavy. So it's gonna be stable for my use on my setup. And then what else? And of course, the final thing. This one, you know what it means. Yeah. So what else do we have here? Let me check. Yeah, we have the USB Type C adapter. So if your machine doesn't have a Type C, you can still use the USB. It has a Type C port there. So next thing we want to do, everything is gone. We want to set it up really quick and then test it to see if it will work. So the first thing we want to do is to let me see. We want to connect first our stand. So let me connect the stand and then you will adjust accordingly. Uh-huh. So from today we are doing quality sound. Quality sound. Yeah. So we have it set there. Then you can adjust it and close the knob from here. Let's see. Let's see what we got. Yeah, should be something like this. Uh-huh. Then you can adjust accordingly. Yep. Let's see. Yes. Yeah, so this is what we have. Okay, so we've changed the microphones, and so we are using this one connected to the mobile phone using to record. So we want to test the quality of the sound compared to the first one to actually see how different it is. So yeah, this will be my new setup, my new sound instrument, and everything. So just come close so that I can tell them how everything works here. So we have this. Once it's green, it means it's connected. It can either be green or blue. And also we have the mic gain. So mic gain is basically what I talked about earlier, the intensity by which the microphone will be capturing my sound. And then remember also it's an RGB LED microphone. So I can turn it on using this long press, and there you go. So can you just move further away so that we can actually get to test? Move just again further away we test, because I do my recordings late in the night around 2 a.m. and I don't want to be shouting. Let's assume this is a new video. Okay. Hi guys, welcome to Sego Chords. My name is Omolo Oganda, and today I'm privileged to bring you a new video with my new microphone setup. So guys, let's see how it goes. And yeah, that's it for today. Also, we have the cable, remember, and I can now do some quality recordings. And all these videos are at Osego Chords. Guys, if you haven't subscribed or liked or even commented or shared with your friends, this is the time, because we're coming in hot with good content. So like, comment, share, and above all, subscribe to my channel, Osego Chords. Osego Chords, signing out.